Let's unbox this awesome 65-inch interactive smart board. First off, this is boxed really well. It's got very strong ties on it here that are going to have to be cut off. Everything is labeled fragile very well. This is a very thick box. You can see how reinforced it is to help this item not get damaged during shipping. And then in addition, it has foam here at the top to protect the item as well. Whenever you get inside down here, this also has a really thick frame. Your item comes with a nice TV mount, which can mount a 40 to 80 inch TV, and it has a load capacity of up to 165 pounds. So it's going to be able to support the weight of this smart board here. And then inside here you have more styrofoam. This is super heavy, so I'm actually going to need some help lifting this out of the box. I cannot lift this by myself. All right, we had to problem solve a little how we were going to get it out of the box. I've got the screen side faced up here, and then we're going to pull. There we go. Very carefully slide that out. Okay, there we go. And then all of my accessories are in here. Everything is nice and in great shape. Can't wait to get this mounted on the wall. Check it out. So before I went to mount this on the wall, I wanted to plug it in and make sure that it didn't get damaged during shipping. It plugs in right there, and thankfully, due to the great packaging, it was not damaged during shipping. The screen is perfect, and I am super excited about it. Go ahead and turn the whiteboard function on just to make sure everything was working properly. Super cool. It looks like. You can connect it to your Play Store, OneDrive.